With all the noise around OpenAI and changes at its board and CEO level, etc., Google Bard continues releasing little small updates, which are very, very powerful, but very much under the radar. And today we have one of those, which I think is really, really cool. Google Bard can now talk to YouTube videos. Yeah, basically you can give it a YouTube video and ask questions about the content of that YouTube video, all in real time. So let's check it out. So as I said, basically I've been experimenting here. This is a part of their Bard experiment. And I think that's why they keep these things under the radar and there's not lots of big fanfare about these releases and updates, etc. Because I think Google still sees Bard as experimental. Unlike OpenAI's approach to ChatGPT, which kind of, they're trying to fully commercialize it and all of that. I think Google are being much more cautious in their approach. Anyway, this release is really cool. As you can see here, I've already been experimenting and we'll do a bit further, but I gave it here at the top, can you summarize this video? And then you give it a URL. This is one of my videos, and then it summarizes it. Now I've seen this before, but the difference with this is it happens in real time here, and I'll show you how that happens, but this is correct. This video is about a review of the Plenty Pot XL mac and cheese. The speaker, Clive Illenden, that's me, starts the video by introducing the product and explaining what it is. He then goes on to talk about the ingredients and the nutritional information. It's really detailed. I've got other apps that I've used and AI apps that will summarize that video and basically summarize the transcript, and then you can ask questions of that transcript. But this seems much more contextually based. Clive, that's me again, then makes the Plenty Pot XL mac and cheese and tastes it. So this goes further than merely being a conversation with the transcript. It's actually telling you what's going on in the video, not necessarily what the transcript says. And that's what makes it really, really exciting. And then you can ask questions. So here I put, how many grams of protein does this product have? Okay, it mentions it here in this kind of summary, but sure enough, it says it has 20 grams of protein per serving, which is correct. I say it in the video. But the other cool thing is it has the video in here. Look, so you can click it and then it will play the video, including the ads, annoyingly. And there I say, so it plays the video in there as well, which I think it's just so cool. But let's see this in action, because I think you can only really appreciate it when you see the speed of the response and stuff like that. So let's find another video. Okay, we'll choose one of my videos again. So why don't we do here the Nitro 17 video I did. This is on my main channel, not my AI channel, by the way. Please feel free to subscribe. So here we go. Let's give me a summary of the following video. I'm going to put in there. And look, see the speed. I'm not editing here. This is the speed. It's looking at the video there, YouTube, and boom, in real time. And look at that. This video is about a review of the Acer 1917 Nitro 17 gaming laptop. Overall, the reviewer thinks this laptop is a great option for serious gamers who are looking for a powerful and affordable machine. Has 13th gen Intel Core i processor, correct. 4050 graphics card, correct. Screen details, 165 refresh rate, all correct. Laptop has a comfortable keyboard. This is all cool and excellent. So let's see, how many USB connections does it have? Let's see if it can answer that. A bit more complicated, a bit more in-depth. Based on the video, it has 2 USB-C ports, Thunderbolt 4, 3 USB ports, and a HDMI port. So really, as you can see, it's not only just the speed, but the interaction and the ability to ask questions. Like if you're following a recipe, the example they use in their blog, they did a blog about this, is if you're following a recipe, you can ask how many eggs did the person use and stuff like that. This is a really, really good tool and a great use of combining, two Google, alphabet things, YouTube and Bard. And it's just the speed. It just blows me away. Yeah, I've got, I have an existing app here, which is a Chrome app here, and it will give me a transcript and summary in ChatGPT. Okay, and boom, you get like, you basically get an output, the whole kind of audio script, and then it summarizes it. But as you can see, it takes a lot longer. This is in real time. It takes a lot longer. I'm not sure to what degree the detail is there. It is just a copy of the transcript. Whereas with Google Bard, they're using the audio transcript and what's going on in the video to provide the context from which you're going to be asking questions. And therefore, I think it's much, much more powerful than merely a summary, as of here, of the audio script. Anyway, there you go. I just wanted to kind of share that. It's just, I think it's a really, really powerful tool. I'm going to be experimenting with it a lot more, and I think you should give it a go. And let me know what you think down in the comments below. I think, you know, these little extra additions, incremental additions that Google Bard make, they're building for something much, much bigger down the line. And I'm very excited about it. Anyway, as I said, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and please hit the likes because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content just like this. And if you're new to my channel, do me the great honor, arigato gozaimasu, please hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I go live with videos just like this. Talking of videos just like this, why don't you check out the videos over here on the screen? Just here, over there, up there. Check them out. Thanks for watching.